What's up, guys? JP here. Just wanted to amend my video about taking the copper windings out of a copper bearing motor. So yeah, I knew a better way to do it. I just didn't break down and get the equipment for it. So here we are. Got this Hitachi Angle Grinder for a 4.5-inch wheel. Got my cutting wheel on here, and we're going to see if we can saw these things down and make it a lot easier to pull them out rather than using these that you saw in my last video. So anyway, let's give it a shot. Might want to wear some of these. Working pretty nice, actually. Oh, let's get those wire cutters back. I need those after all. A lot easier just to clip like that. I'll try wedging something in there. Keep this thing from moving. A vise would work nicely. I had a guy in one video say to use a vise, but oh yeah. That was a lot easier. Alright guys, the bottom piece off, it took me about 3 minutes to do that. You can watch my last video to see getting that thing off. So this is what you're going to be getting out of here if you didn't see my last video. So after you cut them, you just get a screwdriver, just get in there and pry them out. Alright guys, here's what we ended up with. It's definitely a lot messier this way. It's a little bit tougher prying them out, but man, you cut out some time over just trimming these things out one by one with the wire cutters. So anyway, nice little bit of copper here. I'm gonna go throw it in the bucket. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.